In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or remove dollar signs in Google Sheets so you can control exactly how your numbers look. First, open your Google Sheet and select the cells you want to change. You can click and drag across a range or select an entire column if needed. Now, go to the top menu and click on Format. From there, hover over Number to access different formatting options. If you want to add dollar signs, simply choose Currency. This will instantly apply the dollar symbol to your selected numbers and format them properly. If you want to remove dollar signs, just switch the format back to number or plain number. This removes the currency symbol and keeps only the values. You can also click on Custom Currency if you want more control, like choosing a different currency or adjusting how the symbol appears. As soon as you apply the format, your selected cells will update instantly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can add or remove dollar signs and make your Google Sheets look exactly the way you want. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.